Why does your scanner show the P1BC2 engine code? What does it mean? P1BC2 is a diagnostic trouble code for hybrid or electric vehicle battery 74-circuit high voltage. The P1BC2 engine code, or indicate the vehicle's battery management system, has detected that the voltage signal exceeds the safe operational range defined by the manufacturer, DER. This circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Weak or failing 12-volt battery, damaged auxiliary battery, faulty alternator, corroded or loose battery terminals, damaged fuses or relays. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Dodge, Ram, GM, and Toyota. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.